Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia XZ2, and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap on the security section. Now just scroll a little bit down to the SIM card lock. And here, just to add the SIM pin to your SIM card, tap once on the switcher and here enter your password. In my case, this will be from 1 to 4. I'll enter again to have no mistake, and then just tap to OK here, and as can you see, our SIM pin just activated on our device. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.